Let's learn how to get a stick on TikTok. So guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I'll show you that how you can get a streak on TikTok like Snapchat. So this is the new feature that TikTok has recently added, and if you wanna have that feature, I will show you that how to enable it. So first thing you have to do is check your TikTok app updates. Make sure you have updated the TikTok to its latest version. So you have to check from the Google Play Store or App Store. So once you confirm that you have updated the TikTok latest version, so simply open the TikTok. So after opening a TikTok, let's have a look on my inbox. Like here you can see there is no any strict option and notification, just like Snapchat. So this is because I have not turned on the feature, and the TikTok streak work by sending a video or message to your friend and tell them to send it back with a message or video. So to turn this feature, you will have to click on this profile icon just at the bottom right corner of your screen. And here you have to go for the three lines just at the top right corner of your screen. So simply click on that three lines. And here you have to go for the settings and privacy. So after opening the setting and privacy, you will have to go to the content and display section and then go for the option like notification. And after you scroll down, you will find the option like streak, like it's turned off. So you will have to open the streak from here, and now the streak function is work on your account. So likewise, you can also maintain the streak on TikTok as you can on Snapchat. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon below. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.